Centre has given another extension till May 20, 2026 to a commission of inquiry to submit its report on the probe into the 2023 Manipur violence that claimed 260 lives and over 60,000 people displaced. A government notification issued by Union Ministry of Home Affairs MHA has given fourth extension to Manipur Violence Inquiry Panel consisting of former Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court Ajay Lamba, retired IAS officer Himanshu Shekhar Das and retired IPS officer Aloka Prabhakar. According to the notification, the commission will now submit its report to the central government as soon as possible but not later than the 20th May 2026. The committee of inquiry was mandated to probe the causes and spread of the violence and riots targeting members of different communities. The panel's deadline has been extended 4 times on September 13, 2024, December 3, 2024, May 20, 2025 and now December 16th. In the last extension, the Union Home Ministry had given the commission time till November 20, 2025 to submit its report.